Food storage. How long can you keep mozzarella cheese, shredded or sliced, commercially packaged, open package? How long does an open package of shredded mozzarella cheese last in the fridge? The exact answer to that question depends to a large extent on storage conditions. Keep shredded mozzarella cheese refrigerated at all times. To maximize the shelf life of shredded mozzarella cheese after opening, tightly seal original packaging or place the cheese in resealable plastic bags or airtight containers. Properly stored, an open package of shredded mozzarella cheese will last for about 5 to 7 days in the refrigerator. Once the package is opened, consume or freeze the shredded mozzarella cheese within the time shown for refrigeration, even if the best buy, best if used by, or use by date has not yet been reached. How long can shredded mozzarella cheese be left at room temperature? Bacteria grow rapidly at temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Shredded mozzarella cheese should be discarded if left out for more than 2 hours at room temperature. To further extend the shelf life of open shredded mozzarella cheese, freeze it. When freezing, place shredded mozzarella cheese in the freezer before the number of days shown for refrigerator storage has elapsed. Frozen mozzarella cheese may lose some of its texture and flavor. The thawed cheese will be best suited to cooked dishes, such as sauces, soups and casseroles. To freeze shredded mozzarella cheese, tightly seal original packaging and place in freezer. If freezing for longer than 2 months, place package inside a heavy-duty freezer bag in order to prevent freezer burn. How long does shredded mozzarella cheese last in the freezer? Properly stored, it will maintain best quality for about 8 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Shredded mozzarella cheese that has been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How can you tell if shredded mozzarella cheese is bad or spoiled? The best way is to smell and look at the cheese. If cheese develops an off odor, flavor or appearance, it should be discarded. If mold appears, discard all of the shredded mozzarella cheese. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.